Welcome everyone. Next 100 questions to look at complete kore maji. Okay, let us start. Which among the following is not included in the 8th schedule as per the Constitution of India? Santali, Bodo, Maithili, Karbi. So Karbi is not included in the 8th schedule as per the Constitution of India. 8th schedule of the Constitution consists of the following 22 language की Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Santhali, Maithili और डोगरी ये लास्ट और तीन ऑलरेडी एक बार आही पाइसे. ओके. In which year was the Armed Force Special Act AFSPA was passed? 1958. Which article of the Indian Constitution grants special status to the states of the Northeast India? Article 371. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru wrote his book Discovery of India? तो ये डबल टाइप क्वेश्चन हो पा रहा है. ओके. डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया कोने लिखिছিলে जवाहरलाल नेहरू আৰু তেওঁ কোত লিখিছিলে Ahmednagar Fort. Okay, which among the following places has received the GI tag for its lychee? तो लीची কোনে পাইছে? ঠিক আছে. GI tag of Assam 2023 কাজু নেমু পাইছে আৰু ভিলেজ হৰ্ষা শিৱসাগৰ. ओके. Okay. For its GI tag for lychee no hobo. Okay. Etu beleg asile kiba. Who among the following is known for his reforms in Indian education system? Lord. Remark quote. Okay. Indian education system. Lord Macaulay. Who was the first editor of the Assamese magazine Arunodoy? Dr. Nathan Brown. The streamlining of the land revenue related services scheme of the government of Assam is better known as Basundhara. What is the form of the one-act play made popular by Srimanta Shankardev known as Ankiya Nats? Which among the following satras is situated in West Bengal? Madhavpur Satra. Which direction does the Brahmaputra flow in Assam? East to west direction or southwest direction? Who was the founder of Mughal Empire in India? Babur. Okay. Babur was the founder of Mughal Empire in India. Which source do the projects at Kalpakam, Narora and Tarapur produce electricity from? Nuclear energy. Who established Jorhat as the last capital of Ahom Kingdom? Swargadev Gaurinath Sinha. What was the name of the king Naranarayana before he ascended the throne of Koch Kingdom? Malladev. Which of the following trees is not considered as an example of deciduous vegetation? Sal, mango, pine, simalu. तो एटू की हो जाबो pine. Okay. Which region is jhum cultivation usually practiced in? Hill region. Which act of British India had the Jallianwala Bagh massacre crowd gathered to protest? Rollard Act. Hajo is considered as the confluence of the three religion. तो है religion नाम क्या है कि Hindu, Sikh and Buddhism. Who among the following is the anti-corruption authority to represent the public interest? The Lokpal. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India is the North Kachar Hill Autonomous Council NCHAC formed? It is formed under the 6th schedule. What are the colors of Olympic flag? Blue, yellow, black, green, red. पांचटा गोल थके. ठीक है सर. तो it is by BY blue yellow BGR या फिर RBG. Okay. BY by RBG. Red, black, green. The capital city of Peru is Lima. The National Stock Exchange is in Mumbai. From the following list, identify hardware components that can be used to transfer files from one computer to another. BIOS, hard disk, CPU, USB, flash drive. তো আমি কি কৰো USB যোনটো ফ্ল্যাশ ড্ৰাইভ হয় USB বুলি কওঁ জেনাৰেলি ওকে এটো দি এটা কম্পিউটাৰৰ পৰা দুটা কম্পিউটাৰ নেক্সট কম্পিউটাৰটো বা OTG লগাই কেনে মোবাইলত আমি ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিব পাৰো The range which separates Indo-Gangetic Plain of northern India from the Deccan Plateau of the southern India is Satpura and Vindhya range. Rivers originate from Himalayas: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Ravi, Saraswati, Satluj, Ganga, or the Gangas, Yamunas, and the Brahmaputras. These are originating from the Himalayas. Water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Which social science studies the production, distribution, and consumption of wealth? Economics. Radioactive materials: uranium, radium, polonium, plutonium, thorium, and actinium. So among these, which is the asil sage radioactive element? तो हमें इस सबकेटर नाम मत रखिबो লাগিব uranium, radium, polonium, plutonium, thorium, actinium. In volleyball, how many players per team are on the court? 6. How many states of India shares border with Assam? तो Assam লগত Assam also neighboring states की है West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. So there are all total 7 states. Who is the finance minister of Assam as on 1st January 2023? That is Ananta Niyog. As on 31st of March 2023, how many districts are there in Assam? There are 31, okay, but now it is 33, okay, according to 31, but 2024 update okay. As on 31st of October, how many districts are there in Assam? 31st of October, since October 2023 hobo, okay, but 22 hobo, बहुत कटा districts join करा গৈছিলে, okay. Okay. तो ये तीनटा question we'll do one thing. Well, okay, we'll do one thing, we'll print these questions because already outdated hoise na recent to matra hil hol. Among the following bridges, which one of the easternmost places सबसे इस साइडे कोणतो আছে ঠিক আছে इस साइडे नारायण सेतु सरायघाट ब्रिज भूपेन हाजरिका सेतु कोलिया भोमरा सेतु okay that is भूपेन हाजरिका सेतु. Rivers in Barak Valley: the Katakhal, Jiri, Chiri, Modhura, Longai, Sonai, Rukni, Khushiara. Okay, rivers in the Barak Valley. तार भीतर which एनको असेल सगे which is not ठीक है which is not. तो जुनकेटा হয় একেটা মুখস্থ ৰাখিব লাগিব. Katakhal, Jiri, Chiri, Modhura, Longai, Sonai, Rukni, Khushiara. What is the state tree of Assam? Holong. और ये साइंटिफिक नाम तो क्या है? डिप्टेरोकार्पस मैक्रोकार्पस. ठीक है कार्पस मत रखिले होल गाड़ी ठीक है कार्पस होम और मैक्रो ठीक है मैक्रोकार ठीक है मैं कार दिके মনত রাখিম কি এটো দুইবার কার আহিব ডিপ্টেरोकार्पस और मैक्रोकार्पस হলো. স্টেট সং ওমুর আপনার দেশ. State motto Joya Afam. I mean Joya Afam जो कोई थको actually that is our state motto. State flower foxtail orchid coco full. State animal one-horned dinosaur rhino or gore. State bird white winged wood duck. एकेलगे लिखा है ठीक है white winged wood duck या देवहा. Poamakka and Hoygriff Madhak temple is at which place of Assam? Hajo. Name the Tea Research Institute at Jorhat, Toklai. Okay, this is important question. Okay, name the Tea Research Institute at Jorhat, Toklai, are famous for tea state of Assam, that is Dibrugarh. Okay, name the first talkie in Assam. Joymoti, 1935. Swaraj Party was founded by Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. BJP's origin Bharata Jana Sangh was formed by Syama Prasad Mukherjee. BJP's founder Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani. Which article of Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, and birthplace? Article 15(1). The Gol Gumbaj, the mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah, is located in Bijapur, Karnataka. What does A stand for? Udan. Ude desh ka aam nagrik. Which company became the first Indian company to hit the 10 lakh crore market valuation? That is Reliance. So some will look at the list of classical dances in India and state of their origin. Okay, we are talking about the classical dances. Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh. Kuchipudi, Kathak so bhul kare because we think that it is southern the state of classical dance. Okay, but Kathak is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and Katha কোনে কয় কেরালা মানুহবিলাকে বহুত কথা কয় ওকে তো কথাকালি এন্ড কথক তার ভিতর বহুতে মানে রং কৈ দিয়ে ওকে কথা কোনে কয় কেরালা মানুহবিলাকে তো কথাকালি ইজ ফ্রম কেরালা ওডিসি ওড়িশা সত্রিয়া অসম মণিপুৰী মণিপুৰ মোহিনীঅট্টম কেরালা ঠিক আছে তো কুচিপুডি কথাকালি এন্ড মোহিনীঅট্টম কোৰ হয় কেরালা ওকে বহুত কথা কয় আৰু আমাৰ হিয়াতৰ কথাবিলাক মোহিত কৰি দিয়ে তো হেনেকে দে আর ফ্রম কেরালা ওকে কুচিপুডি পুরি 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 কোনে খায় আন্ধ্রা মানুহবিলাকে পুরি খায় ঠিক আছে আৰু কাথা কোনে লগায় উত্তৰ প্ৰদেশ ইউপি মানুহবিলাক বহুত কাথা লগায় কথা ঠিক আছে তো হেনেকে আমি কাথা ভাৰতনাট্যম এম তামিলনাডু okay in that way we can remember. The Assam Medical College is situated in Dibrugarh. The mission Indradhanush, an initiative of the government of India, is associated with ensure full immunization of all children in India. It was launched by the Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda on 25 December 2014. Article 17 of the Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability. 17 to কি হয় untouchability citizens এর উপর সব আছে ঠিক আছে so that is of untouchability 1 to 4 part 1 1 to 4 part 2 5 to 11 ঠিক আছে তো তেনেকে আমি মুখস্থ কৰি যাব লাগিব which of the following events did not take place in 1919 Rowlatt Act was passed okay then Montagu claims for reform was announced. No, it was in 1918. Partition of Bengal 1990. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy 1919. Which of the following scheme was launched in July 2019 to accelerate water harvesting and conservation measures? Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Which country was first to implement goods and service tax GST? The first one is GST logo France. As of January 2023, the state which is the maximum number of seats in the Rajya Sabha is Karnataka. As of January 2023, the state which has the maximum number of seats in the Lok Sabha is Uttar Pradesh 80. When Sangh visited India during the reign of the king Harsha Vardhana. So when Sangh kiti aisile? H for when, H for Harsha. Okay. Titi aisile Harsha Vardhana time. Who among the following publishes the Economic Survey of India? Ministry of Finance. In which of the following economies all productive resources are owned and controlled by the government? Socialist. In which of the following location was the Quit India movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1942? August Kranti Maidan. Kod hoisile? August Kranti Maidan. The term Tirthankaras is associated with Jainism. Okay. The state of the Northeast India that does not share borders with Bangladesh is Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Bangladesh লগত border touch নকৰে okay and this is just for reference. Okay, peek at the which of the following group is the festival Lai Haroba associated with? Lai Haroba का रहा है? It is of the Metis. Okay, where is India in Kangla Fort located? It is Imphal. Kangla Fort को से Imphal. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? Sundarban's Delta is home to the largest mangrove forest in the world. That is true. China is world largest mica producer. That is true. Easter Island is a land area that is antipodal to India. That is true. India's largest inland salt water lake is located in Gujarat. That is not true. और या ट्रू टू কি হবো এটো আপনি মু কমেন্ট বক্সে লিখি দিব অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য ইলেকশন লিখি দিব না কি হবো মনত থাকি যাব according to the election commission of India in order to be recognized as a national party a political party must be treated a recognized political party in at least how many states at least in 4 states who among the following said freedom is my birthright and I shall have it Bal Gangadhar Tilak The second battle of Panipat fought between Akbar and Hemu. ठीक है second battle of Panipat is fought between whom Akbar and Hemu and was in the year 1556 5th November 1556. When did the Election Commission of India first enforce the none of the above nota in voting option in the assembly election in India? That is November 13. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? The Hague, Netherlands. Which one of the following steps did the Rowlatt Act incorporate? Force to buy foreign goods, restriction on wearing khadi, imprisonment without trials, restriction on traveling abroad. That is imprisonment without trial. In which year did the Supreme Court of India appoint its first women judge and whom did it appoint? Fatima Bibi. Okay. और कितिया हुई 6th October 1989. The minimum age for acquiring voting right in India was reduced from 21 years to 18 years in the year 1988. तो 18 বছর হলে you are eligible to vote, so make your vote count. In which year did the British transfer the capital of India from Calcutta to Delhi? 1911. Okay. And Shillong opera Guwahati kiti asile, that is also very important. Okay. The chief of the Ahom military during the reign of Chuhumung and the husband of Mula Goburu was Frashanmung Borgohain. In which year the title covered spelling mistake hobo pare epine okay কোনোবা এটা বুকত স্পেলিং বেলেগ হ'ব পাৰে বাট এটা আপনি চাই লব in which year the title viceroy was given to governor general of India that is 1858 Bodoland Territorial Council is a result of which of the following constitutional provision that is 6th schedule of the constitution Pakyong airport is located at Sikkim তো এটা কোথা আছে এটা সিকিমত আছে the most common animal figure found at all Harappan site is the unicorn bull. How many rings are there in the Olympic flag? That is 5. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. AirAsia has the headquarters in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Malaysia, truly Asia. More sir. The tagline. Which of the following is not an operating system of computer? 11, Linux, Microsoft Office, Ubuntu. So Microsoft Office no hai. Okay, it's just a software. Which of the following is presently considered as the highest Himalayan peak of India? Kanchenjunga. Why not Mount Everest? Mount Everest Amatan nai. Okay, it is in Nepal. Which mythical underground river is considered to have joined Ganga and Yamuna at Triveni Sangam of Prayagraj, formerly Prayag of Allahabad? Puna hai Saraswati. Which of the following is measured in carats? Gold. Okay. Tola. Kitna tola ka sona? So that tola is carats. Which branch of study deals with the history of the life on earth on base of the fossil? That is paleontology. French or eta character asile Ross. So he ki asile paleontologist. Yes, he study about paleontology. Fossils like dinosaur etc. Okay. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Barometer. In a game of Kho-Kho, how many members of chasing team enters the field and sit on their knees? 8. Which of the following is not native to India? ठीक है सर ওৱান হৰ্ন ৰেইন অফ পিগমি হক লিওপাৰ্ড এইবিলাক আছিলে okay chimpanzees are not native to India সিহঁতক আনা গৈছিলে which is officially the national tree of India, that is banyan tree. Aegis Agnes Gokha Bezahui has been more popularly known as Mother Teresa. तो त्यार पूरा नाम तो क्या है? Agnes A.G. Bezahui. Who invented the code for telegraph? Samuel Morse. What is the full form of NEFA? As Arunachal Pradesh was earlier known, Northeast Frontier Agency. तो हमारे Northeast Frontier Railway, you have heard about that, right? तो हेतु तालुके जो आकारने बनाइছিলে. Now it's Arunachal Pradesh. At first it was NEFA. Which of the following festival is mainly celebrated in Kerala? Onam. Okay. The male lead role in which movie was played by Zubin Garg? There are different, okay, but the main lead role in which movie was played by Zubin, that is Monday 2008. Okay, very good movie, which feature film in Assamese at 56th National Film Fair Award, and then Akko Pisot Aisile Mission China 2017. Okay, first album was Anamika 1992 at the age of 19. Okay, and he did a debut movie Tumi Moor Matho Moor 2000. Okay, we really love Zubin Da. Okay, was mortal konke khale bhal lagila. Who wrote the book Malgudi Days? R.K. Narayan. Drones are interstellar laser weapons, night vision binoculars, cloning landmines detectors, or unmanned aerial vehicles. Okay, so question. These are unmanned aerial vehicles. In the following list, okay, we have already crossed 200. Okay, so we'll keep till here. Okay, we'll keep till here. So next video आपको আহিম. Okay, as you can see, it will list update হৈ আছে. Okay, 8:53. Okay, so do join the Telegram group. তাতে কি হবো এইটো যোনটো লিষ্ট আছে, it will not only be up to 1000. okay, এইটো 1000 যেতিয়া পাৰ হৈ যাব, পুৰণা pdf টো ডিলিট কৰি দিব আৰু নতুন pdf টো ডাউনলোড কৰি ল'ব. okay, in that way it will go on. so it is a never ending list. okay, যোনবিলাক questions common আহিব, okay, যোনবিলাক questions common আহিব, that will be good for us because we will know that is more important. ক'বাত বহুত বাৰ এইটো ৰিপিট হৈছে questions বিলাক, since these are all from previous years questions. okay, জুবিনদাৰ কথাও কোনবা এটা এক্সামত খুদিছিলে, তাৰ কাৰণে ইয়াতে লিখিছো. okay, so these are all from previous years questions and which are very important from mocks, যোনবিলাক আপোনালোকে mocks দিয়ে ন, তো তাৰ পৰা এইবিলাক লোৱা গৈছে. okay, thank you.